I feel the macros, to talk about. I think as we move towards rapid digitization, I think there is a need for the data centers to move towards the hyperscalers, to the automation, to the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and more importantly, with the pandemic, we all are encountering for last 1 year now, and doesn't seems to be going away. There is a more and more need for the zero touch operations, and we have to innovate in a way that how can we bring the technology to support our business. Now, with also we have to, the next thing would be around the edge computing, with 5G around the corner, maybe next few months would be coming in. So we need to bring the technology very close to these businesses with tier 2 cities. There's a huge opportunity for data centers to come in. I mean, I think we are just around, if you compare the data center business, the count of data centers we have in, say, developed economies like US and UK, we are almost, I think, at 10%, 20% of it, and there's a huge potential to add more and more data centers in tier 2 cities. And with the focus on acceleration of digitization, I think that's the way to go. There would be a mass requirement of new age data centers with all the new innovation technologies like Internet of Things, 5G, edge computing, hyperscaler. So I think that's the way to go.
So what are the benefits of zero touch edge computing and moving data centers to tier 2, tier 3 cities of India?
Yes, so obviously for the zero touch, definitely that's the with the pandemic hitting us, there's a more and more need for innovation, and where we can ensure that operations or business transaction can be completed without physically you have to travel, or physically you have to reach to a particular site. Like we have seen banks coming up with instant account opening, or you have the doctor's appointment happening over video call. So all these things, we used to think that this is something maybe we have regulatory challenges, maybe we didn't have the way, we were not ready to adapt. But I think with this pandemic, everybody had to kind of adapt to those situations. And even if you talk about the aviation sector, when we had the lockdown, complete flights were halted, and we had to come up with the innovation. How can we ensure the customer safety? How can we operate the flights with the zero touch operations? And I think with the technology, we have done a lot of such innovation, where we have ensured a passenger doesn't have to really can do the entire travel without having to do the touch operation. So that's where I think technology would play a pivotal role, and especially the data centers would be the core of it. And that's how I feel we can transform. And then further bringing the technology, as I said, to the tier 2 cities. As India is growing, we have our Prime Minister talking about 5 trillion economy. Data center would be the backbone of it, with the digitization, acceleration, digitization. So we have to provide the technology, we have to provide the application, we have to provide the platform for all these operations to work, and data center are going to play a pivotal role in that. Thanks.
Yeah. Do you see? So you are from the airline industry. Do you see? We keep on hearing about renewed focus on industry. So horizontal and vertical. So do you see a vertical specific, data center solution that you see that's coming to your industry?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, for us to continue to evolve and continue to bring the say aviation or the airline travel to every Indian, which there are a lot of cities where the airports are not there, the flights cannot operate, people are willing to pay, but so that's where we need to bring in definitely the other factors would play a role. But with the improved level of technology, we can definitely turn the tables and have a really leapfrog approach to growth